I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. But as of late, I'm uploading pretty much every day, so you're gonna want to subscribe. Today, I am doing another collab video with the Wig Company. I absolutely love this company. Follow them on Instagram. Go check out their website. They're just a great company. Just very supportive of just women. They have wigs for all kinds of women, kids, men. Like, it's just a really great company, so go ahead and check them out. So they sent me a few wigs out, and so today we're doing this wig here. You'll see me unbox it and do everything after this part of the video, but this is part of their statements line, okay, and you can only get that at the Wig Company. And this girl here is called New Beautiful Choice, and I have her in the color K123. The cap size is average. I will put all of the purchasing information down below. I really love this sort of like, it's almost like an ashy brown color. I would say that the wig cap is a nice size. It does have Velcro adjustable straps in the back, which I adjusted a little bit. I pulled it a little bit in, and it's nice and snug. There's no comb in the back, no combs in the front. There is a small bit of like a lace parting, if you can see here, so you could definitely pluck this out if you wanted to. I really like this like tousled situation. This is definitely the texture of more of a non-textured sort of like Caucasian hair. I did put a little bit of dry shampoo in it. The density is nice, because if you actually had hair this length with this textured hair, it might not be super thick. So it's just a nice density. It's not too much hair. There's a little bit of filler fiber here just to give you some volume. Bangs are cute. I tucked them back, but I pulled them back now just to show you. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest length. It's probably about 20 inches at the very bottom. Nice layers in there. Cute in a pony. Oh, hey. Oh yeah, real cute in the pony. I always want to style these wigs because I just like them so much. Yeah, I really like this one. I would just do something like a little bit like this, where I would tuck it back just because I don't like bangs in my face. Other than that, I think this one is like so cute. This is all the hair to the front, so it's not a ton of hair. She's gonna get a little tangly. That's why I put the dry shampoo in. But I'm messing with her quite a bit, so I don't feel like that would be a problem necessarily if you just like quit messing with it. Yeah, I'm really liking her. I'm really liking her. This one I'm super happy with. Let me know what you think. Do you like this wig? Do you have this wig? Is there another Wig Company wig you would like me to review? Please let me know. Put that down below. A huge thank you to the Wig Company. You're the best. I'm loving this. This is so much fun. I'm getting to review wigs that I may not necessarily always get to review, so that I can sort of broaden the reviews that I'm bringing to you guys, so I can hit everybody's wants and needs. Okay, and yeah, that's all I have for this review. This was quick and easy. My total counter is at 9 minutes and 32 seconds right now. That's with getting her together, doing the intro, doing what I just did. So like, it took me maybe 5 minutes to get together. So that is very exciting. This is really one of those ones that you could kind of put on, toss a little bit, and go. So I love it for that. Great work wig, great beginner wig, great I'm in a hurry and I need to just go wig. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I might have already said that. I'm just excited. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
oh,